Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make salad English. Chop ingredients evenly, dress lightly, and toss gently to combine flavors. Start by washing all produce under cold water and drying it with a clean towel. Use a sharp knife and cut vegetables into bite-sized pieces for easy eating. Mix a simple dressing of olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper and taste as you go for balance. Rinse lettuce and herbs thoroughly and spin or pat dry before assembling. Layer textures by combining crunchy, soft, and creamy elements for interest. Add proteins like grilled chicken or chickpeas to make the salad filling. Sprinkle nuts or seeds for crunch and a flavor boost. Toss gently to coat everything in dressing, then season to taste with salt and pepper. Serve immediately to keep greens crisp and vibrant and aroma. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker makes cooking playlists and timers easy while you prep salad. If you're enjoying this, please subscribe and like to support the channel and help others find it. The Echo Dot fits small kitchens and streams music clearly for a lively prep session. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one and save. Now let's get back to the video. Make dressings in a jar by shaking oil, acid, and seasonings for an easy vinaigrette. Use 3 parts oil to 1 part acid as a starting ratio and adjust. Try variations like mustard, honey, herbs, or yogurt to change texture and flavor. Emulsify with a whisk or vigorous shake for a smooth finish. Taste and correct seasoning with salt, pepper, or acid, then pour over salad and toss to combine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.